DJ Kid, this a hit for sure. We're number one, we don't follow the rules. Switch it up, we ain't knocking your groove. We're number two, gon' cook with the crew. Go to work and go rock in the booth. We're number three, keep it high like a peacoat. I just know you ain't stepping to me, bro. And I'm trying to go get me some seed. Knows we at the door, better look through the peephole.
Shawty wanna fuck on me cause she know I'm the coldest.
Oh boy, I always gotta do second takes. You know what it is. But as I feel we here with a little side off, little episode today. We talk about the Crunchyrolls Anime Awards. We already know we talk about the best of the best. What we gonna do? Me personally, I'm a casual anime fan, so I'm gonna be real quiet. I don't know majority of these anime, so we're gonna let the intermediates or veterans handle this one. All right.
Let's go. It's Anime Awards, y'all. You know, we're watching anime. We're gonna see the awards. Crunchyroll's coming out with them. Blase. Let's go, bro. Yeah, the John's a sweat. He doesn't want to admit he's a sweat. All right, let's go, boys.
Okay.
All right,
so I'm gonna start bottom from top from best film. All right, boys.
No, let's go top to bottom. Okay.
The top one is the best anime of the year. I want to say that for last.
You're right, bro. Best film. I've only seen one.
I've only seen one too.
I mean, even with us only seeing the one, didn't Demon Slayer like break box office records? I don't see it even. I don't see how it wouldn't win regardless.
Yeah, I'm gonna be honest. None of them comes close.
What I voted for. Yes,
Demon
another
Slayer?
game close.
We'll go for Demon Slayer. Confirm that. All right. Next one, best fantasy.
Okay, so here's my thing.
Maybe we should skip this one.
I see two. I think two of them.
Okay, so here's my thing. I've seen 1, 2, 3, 3.5. Because I would think I'm watching Ranking of Kings.
Man said 3.5.
I think 2.
I've seen none of these, so who's the real sweat?
And here's my thing. After previewing the list, I think that, like, some of these, like, I think Mushoku, I think Jobless Reincarnation and 2 Year Eternity need to be in conversation for animated. Damn, let me be quiet, bro. Just go ahead, bro.
My vote is for Slime. My vote is for Slime. That's all I have.
My vote is 2 Year Eternity.
Jet, back and vote.
I say reincarnate as a slime only because Mushoku Tensei.
I vote for 2 Year Eternity just to even it out so Dijon has to vote.
Yes, sir!
And Dijon don't care, so y'all rock, paper, scissors or flip a coin.
Just say 2 Year Eternity, bro.
Now,
What you say?
Jet, Devon, hear me out. Devon, hear me out. We got 2 more.
Best romance now, yay.
Oh, hell no. That shit is
crazy.
yeah, all these are good.
I'm not even gonna lie. Even with me seeing B-Stars, the way niggas talk about Komi can't communicate, I really can't say B-Stars.
It's good, bro. Komi is good, bro. I can't even catch.
As the certified romance slice of life expert recently. I said recently.
Man said recently.
Recently.
But,
Don't get used to it.
I can't say anything about Fruit Basket because I only seen the first season. Horimiya falls off after the first half. I haven't seen Duke of Death and His Maid. B-Stars I don't really count as romance, and Nagatoro they only got romance in the manga. Like it literally just started in the manga. So Komi-san it is.
I also vote Komi. That's 2 for Komi.
I also vote Komi.
That's 3 for Komi.
What's it called? My whole thing was I didn't see B-Stars really as like.
I didn't either.
I don't see that shit as romance. That shit is more like drama.
It's like a side
I
plot.
don't know, it's like a logical more than anything.
I don't think it's really a side plot. That's like
It's more drama.
Yeah, it's more drama. Like the whole first season is him like, do I really like her because I fuck with her, or do I like her because I'm a carnivore?
I'm a
but
beast.
Like fucking yeah. But like even with that, I mean, Komi can't communicate is really like romance, nigga.
So Komi wins then? All right.
Oh, it was Komi wins regardless.
Yes, sir. we got best drama. Let's see what we got here.
2 Year Eternity, bro. 2 Year Eternity.
I never see any of these, so it's not. Okay, 2 Year Eternity. Any objective? No.
I vote for Fruit Basket.
Have you seen 86, Brandon?
2 Year Eternity, Jet. Let me have this, bro.
Have you seen 86, Brandon?
Let me have this.
Don't let him have anything, Jet.
Don't let him have it. He's privileged.
He's black.
Oh.
All right, next one. Best comedy. I better see. All
right. Okay. First of all, I'm gonna be honest. I don't count any of these as really comedies.
I don't either.
That's what I'm saying.
Not even Odd Taxi or Dragon Maid.
I never. Dragon Maid. That's not
Dragon
comedy.
Maid was more like wholesome.
It has some funny moments in it, but
It
I thought,
had its moments, but I ain't really have no moments of me like ha ha ha.
like
Yeah.
they got a smirk out of me. That's about it.
Like I feel as though a comedy, when you have a comedy like Prison School or Space Dandy or like Grand Blue, that's comedy.
Yeah,
them the
those are
motherfuckers we
comedy.
talking about.
Yeah.
And this is kind of this is more so of a slice of life than anything section.
I'm not gonna lie. Don't make the communicate made me chuckle a couple times though. Cause they have some dumbass moments, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. Call me made me
Yeah, I
chuckle a couple
chuckle,
times.
but I won't find this as comedy, bro.
I won't say comedy, but that's only one I actually seen, so I'll say call me. I'll vote call me.
Okay, so here's my thing. Here's my thing.
funnier, bro.
All right, that's
I haven't seen any of these, but from the way niggas talk about Odd Taxi, I think Odd Taxi is getting something. I don't know if it's getting best.
Odd Taxi is like a really good drama, but like I would not put it for comedy.
So Jet, what's your vote?
Bro, none of these are comedy though.
I heard life lessons.
Just vote.
I heard life lessons with Uramichi was funny as hell.
It's like, oh, well, for me, it's like cringe funny.
Okay.
Nice. What is your vote, Jet?
Maybe Comey or Dragon Maid.
Pick one.
Let's go, Dragon Maid.
I was thinking Dragon Maid.
Pete, you want to say anything?
Nah, I ain't got nothing on this one.
All
I
right.
don't laugh.
How can you see to my
Cold Stone Killer. All right,
That's a Daredevil doll moment right there. We put that in the video.
got you. Best action. Now this is what I'm talking about. Yes, sir.
We all
this is
know
what-
who's
All
taking
right,
this,
now
bro.
we getting into the heat.
Wait.
Okay.
Wait. Are we sure we know who did? I'm gonna let you have this one because I'm about to fight for best fight, bro.
All right, so immediately we can take down bottom right, like
He's
the,
really. I'm gonna
the
say
two bottom right.
Oh yeah, two bottom right and then one bottom left. I'm gonna take those out. Cause I haven't seen them. I doubt anybody else has seen it except
I
Jet.
haven't seen them either.
All right, so
I think any of them. I
Okay,
think
yeah,
any
and
other three.
BB. They only had like 3 fight scenes in there, and they're like nothing compared to the other 3.
The top three are the debate. So what we gotta say?
So here's my thing. I think Mugen Train is good, but at least like
No.
I don't know.
I think it's between Attack on Titan and Jujutsu
course,
Kaisen.
yeah,
I don't think
I
they
It's
agree.
not close.
Only because the Demon Slayer movie, it is basically the Rengoku and Akaza fight. Like everything before that, I could care less about. Like
Yeah, exactly.
like lower one, I could not care less about him.
Oh God.
We forgot about him as soon as Akaza showed up.
Exactly. So it's not a second fight.
I'm gonna give it a Jujutsu Kaisen for now, just because I like
Jujutsu Kaisen.
Was
I
Part
like Attack on
2
Titan
the
just
one where they like fought Toto for the first time?
I think part 2 was the part where like so part 1 was I don't know.
Part 2 has I'm pretty sure it has Itadori and Toto versus
Okay, so yeah, that's like the exchange fight.
I was like, bro, when that shit was happening, I was like kicking my feet. I was fucking like, I was hyped as shit.
Yeah, but the first one, the second fight only had like one good fight scene. That was like the very beginning when it first popped out.
Yeah, that's like all I can remember.
No,
He
no,
like
no.
Jumped across the table and started trying to fight Aaron. That part was good too.
I don't think that was the part.
oh, when he
I don't think
gave
that was part
Armin
one.
the hands.
I don't think that was the part. I don't think that. Okay, when he Levi versus the Beast Titan. No, that wasn't part 1. That was the part 1.
That was part one.
You're like
Part
see
1
what
was
I'm
when Aaron fought the Warhammer Titan and popped her when she
That's
was
what I'm
transforming.
That's what I'm saying. That's my whole
That
reason
was
for
tough. I can't lie. That was tough. I can't lie.
Oh.
Hold on, I have a real question. If we talking action, why don't your Revenge is not in here?
Because
Tokyo
here's my thing,
Revengers
here's my
is shittily animated.
Compared to these shows,
Hey,
bro,
yo.
there's no competition. I'm not gonna lie to you. Compared to these shows.
I mean,
don't
but
remember.
I feel as though it should be in the rankings for at least actionist.
I
You
don't
feel
know.
me? They literally throwing hands.
Oh,
Yeah.
you mean like as
around.
a category? Okay,
Yeah.
I see what you're saying.
I mean, I'd rather have Tokyo Revengers in there than SSS Dynas and whatever fucking thing is.
no, I agree.
But even when me and Jet previewed this, we were like, there's a lot of categories where like, we don't feel like some of these fit here exactly.
The comedy.
Yeah.
Like the comedy, like the best in anime of the year. There's a couple things, and I'm like,
Is-
this doesn't look like.
Do you really think Eren versus the Warhammer Titan is better than?
See, my pick
I
here
haven't seen the
is
best fights
Jujutsu
yet.
Kaisen because
Here's my-
the
here's my
part
thing.
I cannot imagine Itadori and Todo versus Hami's not on the best fights list. I haven't
It
seen
is.
it yet, but I was like, is that better than? I feel like that's better than the Warhammer Titan fight.
But here's my thing. When it's best action, it's not just talking about that. So if you take the whole thing.
No.
as
Yeah. I'm just saying when we get to the best fight, we'll have that
I
debate.
feel like
See, I
Okay.
will go for
Let me-
Jujutsu
let me-
Kaisen. It's
If we're
just
gonna-
because they had like more fight scenes in there than all of like part 1 of
Yeah.
Attack on Titan.
Also, they got I feel like even the small fights in Jujutsu Kaisen are gas. Like when Maki fights her sister,
Yeah,
that shit's cold.
yeah.
Yeah.
So
Just small things like that.
Juju win.
My
You
vote is
can-
Jujutsu Kaisen.
You get it,
Yeah.
All right, Juju wins. Confirm that shit. All right. Best ending sequence. All right.
I'm not gonna lie. I don't listen to.
I'll be
so
skipping.
that's all y'all.
Next episode.
I'm gonna be honest. I only heard the Demon Slayer one. I haven't heard all the others.
Let's get B-Star something.
Let's give these stars.
No, I'll give the next one to B stars.
Hold on. I see Lisa, and she's kind of bad, so you might gotta
Hey,
get
yo.
into
Her boyfriend cheated on her. Her boyfriend cheated on her for a reason.
That's
What?
why are we bringing this up? And
What we talking about?
Really have to cut that out.
What we talking
Yeah,
about?
in real
What
person.
we talking
I
about?
fuck with the Attack on Titan outro.
All right, then look at the Attack on Titan.
Second time, moving
I'll say
on.
that.
no, whoa.
Oh, whoa.
Dude, it's too late
Let's
to
figure
mark
this
that.
out.
No. I prefer the Demon Slayer ending.
That's
so
what I'm saying.
Demon Slayer ending. I can care less, bro.
we got
I
two
mean,
for
if
Demon
it's
Slayer.
the new Attack on Titan ending, then I will probably
It's
pick
part one,
that. But
part
this is
one,
from
part
part
one.
1.
It's part 1.
I
Yeah.
might be thinking of the second one. It's okay. You can give it to Demon Slayer.
Demon Slayer wins.
Yes, sir.
The best opening sequence.
B stars.
Best opening sequence.
Okay, it's
I don't know.
honestly between
I don't know.
the whole
Jujutsu
right side for
Kaisen.
me.
Jujutsu Kaisen, bro.
No, Jujutsu Kaisen's
No.
second opening's not
The
it.
second opening's not better than the first
I was like, that first opening would have washed.
Just hands down, it was the first one.
I thought it was the first one. I thought it was the first
I was
one.
gonna say, yeah, that first one would have washed.
Or it's crazy because the first one's the best one, and after that, it's like, damn, bro, this what y'all got? Skip.
Yeah.
Which one was Dragon Maze open? Holy shit, do I not look at Dragon Maze real quick?
These are, I don't remember these. I don't remember.
No, you didn't listen to it.
Bro.
That shit was a banger.
It was. I don't remember.
Listen.
I'm not gonna lie to you.
Listen, big dog, it was colorful. It had my attention. I'm listening.
It's honestly between the whole right side for me, but I'm going with B stars here.
John said, "Ooh, colors."
Pretty much. I'm a very simple person, bro.
Bro, I'd be like that too, Dijon. It's okay.
I'm gonna give it a crybaby. I'm gonna give it a crybaby. I'm gonna give it a crybaby.
I'm gonna comment with you, Loki.
Ooh.
Brandon.
I completely ain't know about Tokyo Revengers, bro.
These on a jet. I mean, these on Fiji.
See, I'm fine with any of the right side, honestly.
The only ones I'm familiar with are the Attack on Titan, Jujutsu Kaisen, and Tokyo Revengers, and I guess I'd give it to Tokyo Revengers.
I mean, it does make you feel like you're floating sometimes.
The Attack on Titan opening for the first part, it was okay. I have it like maybe.
I don't know. That bitch slept.
It was.
That's in my
That one had to grow on me. That one had to grow on me a little bit, bro.
This new one go crazy though.
I hear the new one.
So cry baby.
Oh, I fuck with the new one.
Let's go, Crybaby.
Next one. Best VO
Best
performance.
voice. Okay, since no one has anyone heard dub this year.
I've listened.
No.
I've watched Jujutsu Kaisen in English because I watched it with my
I
wife.
also watch you.
I picked Itadori Yuji because
I
think
didn't mind his voice. It didn't bother me.
I think I did Reki, but I didn't listen to any of them. So I just picked Reki because I wanted Reki to get something.
I might have picked Reki too. I don't remember.
Itadori.
You can give it to Itador. I don't watch anything else.
My
I don't watch anything else.
guy.
So.
I barely watched that, bro.
I only watch dub if it's on Netflix.
I think Jujutsu Kaisen had a very good dub. I usually watch it I did watch it in Japanese too, but I feel like when I watch it in English, I didn't like lose anything.
Friends. Yeah.
Woo. All right. Best Japanese.
All right.
Well, Gabby
we're-
over here.
No.
Hey, yo, give it to Gabby.
Okay,
Whoa.
here we go. Give it to Gabby.
I'm giving
because she
Gabby
got
this.
deference.
I'm
Whoa,
saying
whoa.
you did just a good performance that niggas actually.
Where all this
I
comes
just
from.
watched episode 2 of season 2, and so give it to Gabby.
I'm just
Hey,
saying, bro.
yo.
'cause
Or of
Demon Slayer is
season
definitely-
4, part 2.
That's
No,
how
no,
good she
no,
is,
no,
bro.
no, no. You know, it's a voice actor performance, bro.
I know, give it to
acting
Gabby. She
doesn't
deserves
say
it.
that,
Gabby
bro.
doesn't really talk much.
She
Here's my
talks
thing.
a lot.
Here's my
She
thing.
yells a lot.
She did so good that people really thought she was beefing with Aaron, bro.
All right, that's that personal shit, buddy. That's not a pocket.
Actually,
Is
no,
it
I take
her
it back.
dad?
We giving it to Gabby because I just looked at her voice actor. She's a
Stop
queen.
it. Stop it.
Give it
Stop
to
it.
her.
Just warn
Give
me,
it to
bro.
her.
Stop it,
And y'all
Jack.
say
Stop
it's
it.
me? It's me?
It is you still,
It's
but
both
all
of
right,
y'all.
that's beside the point. Gabby wins. Confirm.
She deserves it.
You got best score, music.
Demon Slayer.
Best score. What does that even mean?
That's like
music,
original
music.
soundtrack.
Best music, bro. Best music.
Oh, music. Oh, yeah,
I feel
definitely.
like it's
Yeah, so,
Demon Slayer music do be banging.
I was thinking about giving it to Megalobox, but Megalobox.
I don't remember the second one.
So no, all right.
Demon Slayer. I think Demon Slayer will win it regardless anyway.
Best
Character
design.
design. Now hear me out. Them niggas in Ranking of Kings really be like, that's something different, bro.
I don't know. never seen it. So
I'm 2
Okay.
episodes games.
I'm just gonna-
I like Skate Infinity too.
All right, I'm just gonna take Odd Taxi, Wonder Egg, and Jujutsu Kaisen out, just because Jujutsu Kaisen they all wear the same uniform.
Big dog.
Yeah, but Itadori's got a hood.
Oh, and hold on. Hear me out. Does any other of these animes have a pen?
Hey,
Okay,
yo,
True.
Odd Taxi is all animals though, so
I'm
He
going with
didn't say
Skate
they had a
here.
panda though.
I put it in the in there somewhere. I feel. I don't know.
He
I
didn't
don't
say
watch
there
it.
was a panda though.
I'm going with Skate here because their drip is immaculate.
Skate strip is immaculate.
Like,
So Skate. Then we never seen it, so we don't know.
I've seen
Oh,
Skate.
wow.
Skate's good.
yeah,
All right,
There.
we want to Skate though.
drip is immaculate.
I see a lot of Wonder Egg. Do I gotta watch the show, bro?
That's
Yeah.
what I'm thinking, bro.
Remember, hold up. Design. Remember after I sent Jet's female friend that text message, she said Wonder Egg is really good. You should check it out.
But do
It
I
is
want to
good.
take recommendations for a person that hates Jet?
You hate Jet.
All right, moving on, boys. Next
Exactly.
one. We got best animation.
I'm not gonna lie, it goes to Jobless Reincarnation.
You already know.
It's
Okay,
no problem.
Brandon. This is part one, Brandon.
Jet. You remember when they drew Jet? They had the water sounding like actual water, bro. They
The
had,
water,
you
they
see
look
how-
clean. The water, they
Bro,
look
this
clean.
just look real.
That's not-
bro. Like,
Bro, the
that's not
animation in all
animation, though.
6 of these is actually really good.
I know.
But Demon Slayer do go crazy with animation, bro.
Bro, this is just a
Slayer
movie.
Demon
That's
Slayer
the art.
is really known for niggas saying that Demon Slayer is really only carried by
But
animation.
that's just the art. I promise you. If you watch Jobless Reincarnation, everything looks so damn perfect, bro. It looks like niggas spent years drawing on that shit, bro. That shit is crisp.
You're not wrong. You're
Chris.
not wrong. You're not
I can
wrong.
also
Like
agree
McDonald's.
because
Like
Their
McDonald's
drawing is
quite crisp,
insane.
bro.
I'm about to look up a image from it.
They really be going to the Facebook specials too, bro. They be going crazy with them, Joe.
Oh, that's what I'm
You feel
saying.
their pain low key.
Oh God. Like, is that like what Rugier was when he mad or something? You go, oh yeah, that nigga pissed. Making all the wrinkles and everything, bro.
The fight scene, all that, bro. Remember that one scene from Super Chris, bro, with the old man face, bro, wrinkled up that one scene, bro.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh, what is this? I'm about to be watching this shit.
Oh God.
I told you, animation is key.
I saw something animated.
what are we talking about?
What?
It's a banger show. That's all you need to know. It's a banger show, bro. That's all you need to know, bro.
All right.
Mar just said Jobless Reincarnation is cool.
Who is this?
Ooh, I would.
Fiji, put on the phone, Jet. Fiji, put on
Yeah,
the
my
phone.
fault.
All right, next
Yo,
one.
BG's wife gonna look at his search history and be like,
Interesting.
Best
All right,
director.
hear me out.
No.
Attack on Titan.
You said what?
Attack on
Attack on
Titan's
Titan
valid.
14.
Bro,
Here's
you
my
guys
thing,
keep
here's my
talking
thing.
at the same time, bro.
We were
Okay.
agreeing though, so
Go,
it's
go
okay.
Brandon.
Brandon.
Here's my thing. Here's my thing. Here's my thing. They got dead solid, bro.
No. I said Attack on Titan. Like fucking.
This nigga
Like,
lagging to another dimension.
no, I took my AirPods out. Sunny Boys. I don't like Sunny Boy because Sunny Boy is fucking confusing as shit.
Sonny
It's
Boy
overcomplicated.
got me fucked up.
Like I know what's happening, but I don't know what's happening.
I
And there's
watched
no reason,
all of it and I was still confused.
Nice.
bro. I'm 6 episodes. There's no reason for me to be confused 6 episodes in, bro.
High key, that's me with all of Hunter x Hunter.
Hunter.
I've never
Yeah,
seen Wonder
confusing
Egg.
the
I've never
title.
seen Odd Taxi. But I'm telling you, like, and Megalobox second season isn't as good as the first season. So I think it's really
also agree
between.
there.
I think it's between Attack on Titan and Jujutsu Kaisen, and I think Attack on Titan's director did a better job converting the anime to the manga based on my manga reading of Jujutsu Kaisen. Thank you.
What?
I mean, if we're gonna bring manga into this, John and Bo, this is your guys' time for Jujutsu Kaisen.
I don't. You can give it to Attack on Titan. I don't care.
Director, I don't know what we talking about, bro.
Keep it moving.
I heard manga and then niggas started
I agree.
Now, hear me out.
I agreed with him. I don't know.
Alright,
this
best
one right
fight
here.
scene.
All right, best
Let's
fight
go.
scene. Fight. What the fuck? All right, what did I say? Best fight
It's
scene.
Aaron versus the Warhammer, bro.
Wait, I look at them. I can know some of these, though. Oh shit, I know these.
All of these are
Oh wait. Okay, yeah, these are all bangers.
Okay, we can take out the bottom two.
Jabari, I told you.
I'm telling you.
No right going that hard, bro.
This Kobayashi went crazy, bro. I can't lie. That's
Elma and Taru did go hard though, but compared to the other four, nah.
No, that shit went hard for no reason. I actually know the one, so I don't know about that one.
I don't think Aaron versus the Warhammer is better than Toto and Itadori versus Hanami.
So that's what I'm saying. Compared to both of the Jujutsu Kaisen fights,
That shit was lit and it was big brain.
Hold on, let me explain to you why Aaron versus the Warhammer is amazing. It's amazing, bro.
If you say something about unplugging her shit and just popping her mid transformation, then
What?
you're out.
Oh, okay.
That's what he's gonna say. He's gonna say he disrespected the golden rule. Let niggas power up.
He disrespected the golden rule, bro. Everything you want.
That one punch showed you the whole fight.
No,
That one punch, bro.
I agree that is cold. Okay, I agree.
But
it's
like
cold.
compared to Yuji and Toto,
I think that's the
that shit went
second-
crazy.
I think that's the second best fight on this list, though.
It's not.
I'm not gonna lie.
when they had Hanami fucking like
Confused,
she
bro.
was having like a mental breakdown in the fight, bro. Like that was cold.
The bar. We can't show this regardless. The bar won't get copyrighted, bro.
Can we watch it? Oh shit! I was
We can't watch it. They're gonna copyright it.
Crazy, my nigga. All right.
I'm not gonna lie, PG. I'm not gonna lie, PG. You're not wrong, bro. But I want to tackle that nigga. But you right said. Nick gave nigga PTSD, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Best
Bro was like,
antagonist.
he was like, I don't gotta clap for this to work. He said, huh?
No, I did see.
It's so simple, and it ruined his whole perception of life in there, bro.
It really did. It really did. Best antagonist.
It's
Best
Aaron.
antagonist.
It's Aaron, no cap, no. It's Aaron.
Antagonist.
Whoa, wait! I didn't see Shigaraki before.
No,
I said
no,
Aaron.
I'm not gonna lie. It's not Shigaraki. It's Teta, bro. It's Teta, bro.
Who said it?
Nah,
Oh,
From Tokyo Revengers.
I don't know enough about Kiseki yet.
Yeah, I'm about to say I ain't seen enough of what he's supposed to
Maybe
be
next
doing to say
season
that
it's
he's up there.
Kiseki. I don't know enough about Kiseki yet for it
But
to be.
hear me out. Okay, I understand you haven't seen enough. But from what we've seen, not only did Kiseki get what's the boy's name? What's the main character's name, bro?
Takamichi.
Takamichi. Damn. Yeah. Not only Kiseki got Takamichi killed the first episode. He got Hina killed the 15th episode or whatever episode that was, bro. And he's always plotting. He's always like one step ahead of niggas, bro. Like even
But
like
I don't understand his motive yet. I don't understand him enough as an antagonist.
I don't know
Again,
how.
he always there. He always one step ahead and all that, and it's cold. I fought with Kiseki. Maybe next season he'll be the next antagonist. Right now, I don't know why he's doing anything yet.
I'm just saying the fact that Aaron pulled up to Marley at a meeting with Reiner and sat him down with the moon saying, I'm gonna give you 5 minutes to persuade me why I shouldn't blow this motherfucker out right now, bro. You can't tell me that's not some minutes behavior, bro.
Bro tricked the kid into thinking he was. I'm a war vet. Help me.
Out of
Y'all
pocket.
can, y'all can give it to Aaron. Y'all can give it to Aaron. I really don't have a problem giving it to Aaron.
I was gonna give it to Shigaraki, bro.
I mean, I told y'all Aaron's my favorite main character. So like, if y'all give it to Aaron, I had no problems. But I was
gonna
like,
give it to fucking Shigaraki.
fuck
Shigaraki.
it up, bro.
Did they-
I don't even give it to Shigaraki in the manga.
Wait,
now.
did they get to the war arc yet in the anime? The 3 hour?
That's what I'm saying. I'm like, where's the anime at? And
They're on season 5.
It just ended with fucking the paranormal war. No, not the paranormal. The My Villains versus Redestro and all them.
The anime is where Shigaraki fought that other villain and clapped him.
So we're not on the war yet? Oh, yeah, get the Aaron, bro. Get the Aaron.
I mean, the trailers, you saw the trailer, bro. It comes out this
the
year.
trailers. Aaron wins. Next one. Best protagonist? I thought so. All right, best protagonist.
Jaeger is the best.
it's Aaron
I tried to give it to Kiseki, bro, but niggas like, nah, bro. I'm like, Aaron.
How they just gonna put Aaron for both?
Aaron's out. Is it our fault that Aaron's such a good character that he's both the best antagonist? Okay.
That's why he's everything. That's why he's the GOAT. The GOAT.
The protagonist and the antagonist.
I told you, Aaron's my favorite character, bro, so I have no problem with this, bro.
A hero and a villain all in one. He got all of this, bro.
Aaron's funny, bro. Aaron's hilarious, bro.
And Aaron just because we saw him again, bro.
my vote is for Aaron for the memes. I do like Itadori more than Aaron.
Bro, Aaron's funny, bro.
But my vote's still for Aaron because I think that's funny as shit. I think it'd be funny if he won votes. So
If he won Bobo, I gotta watch the war for that one. I got that bitch live, bro. That's gonna be funny. All right, Aaron then. Aaron's the winner.
Okay, here's the I'm voting Aaron. I think Boji and Itadori both have a solid chance to win, but my vote is Aaron.
I agree.
No,
Everyone else.
Yo, Wonder Egg
I
Party
gotta
was-
watch Ranking of Kings. It came up on my like suggested.
Wonder Egg Party was on every chair, bro. What's going on with the show, bro?
Oh, God.
That must bang.
It's a good show. I just
The eggs.
You got
Best girl.
Comey.
It's not Comey, bro. It's
Comey.
It is Viola. It's Nobara, bro. It's Nobara.
I was gonna say Nobara is my favorite character in Jujutsu Kaisen.
She's my favorite.
And Jujutsu Kaisen is one of my favorite animes.
She's one of my favorite female characters in anime.
She go crazy.
Bro, that final fight.
Oh God.
Oh.
Like she really go cold just on her.
I mean, I was gonna.
Nobara, but we know is between Comey.
I was.
Kobe's probably winning it, but my vote is Nobara.
I mean,
it's also Nobara.
I mean, my second would have been the girl from '86, and then Tover would have been 3. Nobara would have been 4 for me though.
So Jack, Comey or Nobara? Pick one. You talking a lot.
Comey.
All right, so one for Comey, 2. D-Down, Comey or Nobara?
I said Nobara.
That's 3 for Nobara. Nobara wins. Woo!
Oh yeah.
Wildin'.
I was very happy.
Best boy. Is the go back? No, he's not.
No, that's Tony. Oh, that shit. I ain't see that. I didn't see that.
So here's my thing. So here's my thing. I'm gonna wait till Anime of the Year comes up.
Boji.
I'm waiting till Anime of the Year comes up to say what I had to say.
Damn, right now, Dr. Stone was there now. Damn.
Dr. Stone is my favorite. I like Dr. Stone more than Tokyo Revengers. Why is Senku here?
Bro,
Do people like Senku like that? I mean, I fuck with Senku.
Senku's a genius.
I fuck with Senku.
But I don't know. I feel like this is a
Boji.
It's a weird list.
This is a weird selection of characters.
Yeah, why is both Mikey and Drake in here, bro?
Well, nobody talking about the walrus though. All right.
That's my boy from Odd Taxi.
I'm not gonna lie. Wonder Egg and Odd Taxi. I'm gonna have to watch those before the awards come up, bro. Because the fact that they've been on every list, bro.
Them things go crazy apparently.
Boji.
That's what I'm saying. I like Boji from the 2 episodes I've
Brandon,
seen.
vote for something. Brandon, which one you vote for?
Yeah, but let's give Brandon this vote, bro. He been fighting for his life.
No, give it to Mikey because Mikey's the only nigga I've seen. No, give it to Drake and Drake.
I actually vote for Mikey.
Brandon, you just not see like Boji right there, boy.
But here's my thing. I've seen 2 episodes, bro. Drake is a ride or die, bro.
Yeah, but I think for the category, Mikey's like I don't understand maybe. Mikey's like a little ass kid.
Mikey's
they just baby that man.
All right, Jet, which one, Drake or Mikey?
Dragon.
Yeah.
The fuck?
That's what I said. Alright, Dijon, which one you want?
Dragon.
Only because I'm a manga reader. Oh.
I'll take the L. It's okay.
Shut up, Jet.
It's
Okay,
anime.
here it is.
Here it is. Brandon, I feel like me and you. I'll let you go first.
Can I really?
Okay.
Damn.
No.
Hey, you ain't even
Let's
click
get
your
their initial
mark.
reaction.
Everybody
Let's get their
run
initial reaction. Okay, so y'all see all of this, right?
Anime, so, I mean,
Y'all see all of this, right?
yeah.
Yep.
Where the hell is Tokyo Revengers?
Where's Tokyo Revengers? Where's To Your Eternity? Where's ReZero Season 2?
Where's Jobless Reincarnation?
That's what I'm saying.
This seems
you-
like
You said it to me. I haven't seen any of them.
okay, but like at least but you seen freaking Tokyo Revengers, bro.
I mean, I don't think it belongs for anime of the year. We keep it a stack. Was it cool to watch? Sure, but anime of the year is like of the year, which is
But
Attack on Titan is up there.
Guys,
So I mean,
Here's my thing. Me and Jet both. Well, Jet finished Sunny Boy. I never finished Sunny Boy. Sunny Boy is too confusing. Like I don't know if I don't have the brain cells to process it, bro. But Jet's Asian.
hold on,
so
hold on, one second.
So how's everyone's day today?
I'm fine. I'm living for real. Can't complain.
That's good.
you can always complain.
Shut up.
Bar, there's no need to complain right now.
I mean, I'm playing Mario Party earlier. I'm going a little wild Mario Party. That's besides the point.
Oh, you just going crazy? You just going nutty, bro?
No. Dijon was going at it.
Damn,
I
bro.
clutched it up last 2 turns. Absolutely
It's not a clutch. It was complete luck, bro. He found a random block with a star in there, bro. I don't
You
know.
really
You said it to me like it didn't happen to Birdo twice, bro. You're mad at me.
Birdo's a computer, though. Birdo's a computer. I'm not mad at Birdo. It's a computer, though. We already know. It's automatic.
Bro, that was normal difficulty. It made it hard.
Hold on.
I'm playing the first part off you. I'm
What's
cutting
it
Hold on, Jamar. So is RNG whole time is pretty good.
All right.
So let me get it straight, Jamar. He has 2 moms and good
Dude,
RNG.
bro, we're not getting back into this right now. We got 7
You're trying to say this to me
minutes.
right now, bro.
I'm cutting all this out. We got 7 minutes, bro. Keep back to you saying, bro. Better go ahead. That's what you're saying, bro.
anime of the year is Jujutsu Kaisen.
I don't think Jujutsu
No.
Kaisen is better than Attack on Titan.
That's what I'm saying, and I think you know that.
Yeah, but
Jujutsu Kaisen is better than Attack on Titan.
smoking big packs.
Boys, that's what you see that you
Well,
win. That is what you see that you win.
Okay. Tell me, riddle me this, Batman. If Attack on Titan is better than Jujutsu Kaisen, then why have we picked Jujutsu Kaisen over Attack on Titan in more categories?
It's been the fights, but Attack on Titan's story's better.
The story's 10 times better. I can't lie. You can't
And
lie about that.
the story's better, and the fights go along with it. The whole first part of Attack on Titan was really story based. It was, hey man, remember the last time you saw Aaron? Aaron had no plans on. It's like, hey, remember last time we saw Aaron? He was looking at Ocean.
I'll give it to you.
Aaron plotting,
Fine.
bro. He was plotting.
Aaron went from looking at Ocean to starting a world war, bro.
No, that's valid. I'm trying to. I'm thinking of manga shit. And I'm considering just this season of Attack on Titan versus where I am now in Jujutsu Kaisen.
If we talking about manga shit, Attack on Titan definitely wins that shit, bro.
No. I'm talking about just this season of Attack on Titan versus where I think y'all are sleeping on the. Never mind. We can go into it later. I like Jujutsu Kaisen more than Attack on Titan. I don't know.
Jamar, I'm gonna clip this, bro, and for when Fiji finishes Attack on Titan season 2, bro. This is the second part, bro.
I personally like Jujutsu Kaisen more than Attack on Titan.
I feel you understand. I completely understand.
And so I'm biased.
Understandable.
But
More biased too.
I'll vote for Sunny Boy.
Whoa.
Alright, so,
He did, bro. He saw all the options. He said, "They not fucking with Sunny Boy." Yup, that's it, boys.
I'm actually gonna start that. I think as soon as I
Don't
go
watch-
Mob Psycho, I'm gonna start that.
Well, I'm telling you right now. You
Don't
will
watch it, bro.
regret
I promise, bro. You're gonna regret it, bro.
I like how
Y'all
Jet
said
went
it's
with it.
complicated, but you guys also say Nen is complicated, and I get that. So I'm not
No,
too worried
bro. I'm
about
being
it.
like, okay, so
None is stupid. None is just
If
stupid.
this man Brandon can
Nen is
understand
not
that more
stupid.
than fucking Sunny Boy, then that's saying something.
okay, but here's my thing.
But that's shade.
So remember when we were watching the girl with the dead girl Fiji, the dead detective or whatever,
Oh yeah, detective's already dead.
and we were like, the story was like it didn't seem like it was like coherently written or whatever.
Yeah.
That's what Sunny Boy's like to me. It's like,
well, Sunny Boy's a nominee for Anime of the Year, and Dead Detective is not. So clearly,
I don't even know why it's there.
There is a difference.
I don't know why it's there either.
That is actually angry. I heard angry this nigga voice, but why is this here?
No, like me and Jet were literally pissed yesterday because I'm telling you, Jobless Reincarnation. I don't care if you put part 1, part 2, half of part 1, half of part 2. Even the opening for part 1, bro, is better than Sunny Boy, and they don't have fucking openings, bro.
They don't have openings. I like that. I like that about it.
Bro, ranking of King's opening would like just solo all of Sunny Boy.
Ranking of King's Sunny opening does go hard.
Okay, I'm just taking Sunny Boy out of this equation. I'm taking Taxi out of
Attack
here.
on Titan.
Ranking of Kings is kind of new, so I can't.
We said Attack on Titan.
Attack on Titan. Any objections? Last vote.
Only part is we gonna
86
have this next year, and fucking Attack on Titan is gonna win again.
I'll put 86.
The votes are number down.
Actually, I don't know. I don't know. It depends on how people feel about the ending.
That ending was pretty polarizing.
Like I said, I don't have a problem with the ending until that one panel. The 2 panels, the one with Reiner and the one with Aaron.
Look, Aaron,
fucking Reiner, oh my god, bro.
You just called the one last year. Look.
Yeah, Jujutsu Kaisen won last year. Kaguya won Best Girl. That's why I think Komi's gonna win Best Girl this year because they really like the romance people on that shit.
That was overall one best fight last year. What was the contenders?
Oh wait, what's the best fight last year? It was alright. It wasn't nothing like, I don't know how to describe it. That was the best fight. That was the best fight, I think.
That's right. That's the best
Jujutsu
fight.
Kaisen won a lot last year, bro.
I know.
Because they had Jujutsu
did have
Kaisen in
the
like
best
6
ending.
fucking categories.
Jujutsu Kaisen was like, okay, but last year the categories were like a lot better put together.
You could have all years.
Jujutsu Kaisen definitely had the best ending last season.
I don't
That
even
shit where they were
remember.
dancing.
Yeah, I do remember that.
That's just cold. I fuck with that. That shit was good. The music was banging. The dance was cool. The art style was dope. That was definitely the best outro.
I'm just saying, this shit, the next year Anime Awards, with all these bangers coming out this year, it better be absolute war in these comment sections.
It's not gonna be in them. It's not gonna be in them. It's gonna be in the one after that. because
Sound like
this next Anime Awards is gonna have like part 2 of like the shit we're watching now. So like the shit me and Jabari done watched like last week and shit, like Ranking of Kings part 2 is probably gonna be out there. Fucking what is it? Jobless Reincarnation part 2 is gonna be out here. But even with that, I don't necessarily like the way shit was like ordered this year.
When did Dr. Stone come out? Why was Dr. Stone come out? I thought Dr. Stone was old as shit, bro.
Dr. Stone came out when me and Jet were in high school. At least the first season did.
Yeah.
This bitch on list for now, 2020. Right,
when's the next season coming out? I need to know.
Sometime
Either late this season.
I think it's
Fucking
late.
yeah.
Yeah. Like
late
late
this
this
year.
season.
I'm excited.
All right, that's fun, boys. Brandon, can I follow?
Hey man, just like, comment, subscribe, y'all. You know, just because the Anime Award options were shitty doesn't mean our channel is shitty, man. Just double tap that subscribe button, bro. Just like it, bro. Just like it, bro. And we're gonna keep pushing content out for y'all.